Hello everyone. In this video I'll be discussing how MDMA might enhance memory reconsolidation in PTSD therapy. PTSD is primarily treated with therapy. In these therapy sessions, the patient recounts their trauma with the therapist. The therapist listens and provides new insights on how to think about the trauma to make the memory less intense. Therapy works by taking advantage of a process called memory reconsolidation. When recounting the trauma, the patient has to first retrieve the memory to tell the therapist what happened. The memory then enters a flexible state, where parts of it can be altered. It is in this state that the therapist offers new ways of thinking about the trauma. After the therapy session, the suggestions take time to solidify in the patient's mind. This period of time is called memory reconsolidation. If successful, the memory is slightly altered and hopefully less intense. One hypothesis for MDMA's beneficial effect in therapy is that it enhances the memory reconsolidation process. In this way, MDMA will synergize with the therapist's suggestions and promote trauma recovery. In this video, I will describe some of the evidence in mice supporting this hypothesis. Memory reconsolidation can be tested using a fear extinction paradigm. First, the mice are placed in a box where they experience an electric shock. This results in the mouse associating the box environment with threat and will elicit defensive responses such as freezing. The mice then undergo a fear extinction paradigm, where the mouse is simply placed in the box but without any foot shocks. After some time, the mice gradually learn that the box is no longer dangerous and will reduce their freezing responses. Right after the extinction session, the updated memory about the danger of the box needs time to reconsolidate. To test how MDMA affects this phase, scientists injected the mice with varying doses of MDMA either immediately after or 6 hours after the extinction session. They then waited 1 week and placed the mouse in a box again. If the updated memory persisted, then the mice will not be threatened by the box and will freeze less. Results showed that the highest dose given immediately after the extinction session reduced freezing during the memory test. This result suggests that the MDMA promoted reconsolidation of the memory about the box's danger. In summary, memories enter a flexible state when recalled. It is in this state that the therapist offers new insights to be incorporated in the memory. The memory is then reconsolidated in a way that hopefully reduces the negative aspects of the memory. The memory reconsolidation process can be studied in mice, and MDMA has been shown to enhance memory reconsolidation in this model. Thank you for watching. Links to sources of all the things I discussed in this video can be found in the description below.